Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're wondering why I'm sitting here with just half my makeup done, like I have the rest of my face done but I have nothing on my eyes, it's because I wanted to show you this palette. Now this is the Hollywood palette by Iconic Beauty and it was sent to me by Juno Beauty Co. And just look at the shades. Aren't they gorgeous? So not only are the shades gorgeous, when I was swatching them I realized that they looked really familiar. And then I realized that this is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So obviously I was super excited. Now I haven't tried the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette myself, so I cannot compare it in terms of pigmentation and texture and stuff. But just talking about this Hollywood palette, it's really nice. These shimmery ones are really nice and shimmery, and they're really nice. So I don't know how they're going to translate on the eyes, but I'm excited to try them out. Also this shade here, this cranberry red shade here, which is Red Carpet, is beautiful. I've never tried something like that on my eyes, but it really is beautiful. So let's see, I am in the mood to experiment. So let's see what sort of a look I come up with. I want to do something for Valentine's Day since Valentine's Day is around the corner, but I have a look in mind. It's just that I don't know how it's going to turn out. So let's get started. I have zoomed you in a bit so that you can see better what sort of a look I'm doing, and the shades are really beautiful. I really don't know what I want to do with it, but I know for sure that I want to use this glitter shade, which is universal, and this red shade. So those two are the shades that I definitely want to use. And okay, let's see. So I'm going to begin with this dusty brown shade here, which is Roosevelt, and there is quite a bit of fallout. I think I'm going to buff this as the transition color. Next I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm taking this black shade here. It's a matte black shade and that is called Hollywood Forever. So I'm taking that and I'm going to do a V just to give the boundary for the outer corner and crease. And then taking that same fluffy brush, I'm going to blend this. Next I'm taking a little bit of this red shade. The shade is called Red Carpet, and I'm just taking a very tiny amount and I'm going to be buffing it into that black shade. Now that that is done, I'm taking that same red shade on an angled brush and I'm sweeping it onto my lower lash line. And again taking the pencil brush, taking the black shade to smoke out this red shade. It's become a bit too black, so I'm going to go over it again with the red. Okay, so this is how the eyes have turned out so far. What should we do next? I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to apply that pink shimmer that I wanted to apply. So I'm going to spritz it. I'm going to spritz the brush with the MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm taking that duochromy pink shade, which is the shimmer shade, which is Universal. I think this is looking lovely. Okay, I'm going to continue with this. I'm going to put this till here. So this is what the eyes are looking like right now. And now for the inner corner, I'm taking this shade. I'll take this shade. This is called Paramount. Just put that on the inner corner. And then taking that same shade Paramount very lightly on my fingertips. Let me blend this. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's looking pretty good, so before I mess it up, let me just do my liner. I'm using the MAC PowerPoint eye pencil in engraved. I'm going to tight line my eyes. And I'm also going to do my upper lash line. Do you think I should smoke out the corner a little bit more? I think let me just do a little. Okay, I think everything's pretty well blended. And it's time to move on to the mascara. I'm using the MAC Bold and Bad Lash Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. Okay, so there is a slight bit of fallout. And that's my eye look done. Take a look. What do you guys think? And to finish off, I think I'm going to apply a little bit of lip gloss. Again, this is the MAC Nico Panda. So that is the finished look, and I have to say I really like how my eyes are looking right now. And I think it's a really nice palette. I'm going to experiment a little bit more with it and try out that red shade in a few more looks. And pigmentation wise, it's really good. There's not too much fallout. The shades are pretty creamy and easy to apply. It's not very chalky. Whatever shades I've tried out, they aren't chalky. And I think it's a really good palette to buy. So if you guys do not have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, you can check this out. This is available on Juno Beauty Co. I think it's priced at $14 and right now it's on sale for $12, which converts to about 900 rupees, I think. And that's a steal if you compare it with the original Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, which is something around 4,000 rupees. So this is quite a steal. And the quality is pretty good. I'm loving this look that I've created right now. Do let me know what you guys think. Well, so that brings me to the end of this video, and I do hope you've liked this makeup tutorial. If you have, please let me know in the comments what you have liked about it, where you would like to wear this look, or any other suggestions, feedback, comments that you might have. Also, if you've liked it, as always, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel because that is the biggest motivation for me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.